Hi, L2 Steps family. Hope all is well and you're having a great day. Today, I'm so excited because I have this amazing recipe to share with you. It is a childhood favorite recipe. I enjoyed it as a child, but now I'm a vegan. I have recreated it and it tastes spot on. It is tripe and beans, and I've curried it. Guys, if you've not tried it, you ought to try it. The recipe is also on my website. It's been there for many years. And now I'm doing a video of it. Okay, guys. So the ingredient that it has that I'm not sure if you have it in your area or not, but here in the United States, it's sold in the Asian supermarkets. However, you can purchase it online as well, on Amazon or online, and it is tofu skins. What What is tofu skins? Tofu skin is basically, when you're cooking soy milk, when you're making soy milk, that's the layer that's on top. It's on top of most milk, like even traditional milk. When you're cooking traditional milk, it'll form that layer on top. That's what it is, that layer, that protein layer. It is dried and then used as a meat replacement, and it tastes spot on, like tripe. Okay, so be sure to subscribe to the channel, hit on the notification bell so that you can be notified on all our latest recipes. And let's get started. So, to begin, you're going to break up your tofu skins and then you're going to boil them in water. You're going to drain it after. So, you're just boiling it and then you drain it and you're going to cut up your onions. We are chopping my onions up, and it's up to you if you want to mince your onion or large chops. It's just up to you what you do. I love my onions all chopped up. It depends on the mood I'm in. Sometimes I chop it really fine. And in this dish, also you can use green onions. They'll give a nice flavor. And you're gonna do your garlic. You're gonna chop up your garlic, chop or mince, up to you how you do them. Um, but I love the flavors of my onion and my garlic in my dish. Now I'm using here, if you can see, these are bell pepper. And what I do is I like to buy a lot of bell pepper all at once, but they spoil easily. So I literally freeze my bell peppers. So you got to try that. They freeze very well, and you don't have to do any blanching or anything. Okay, so now I'm going to prepare my ginger. I'm just grating my ginger, and you can either wash your ginger or you can peel. Next, I'm going to add oil. I like to use coconut oil or avocado oil. I'm going to saute my onions first and let them get soft. And after that, I'm going to be adding my bell peppers, the different colors, looking so pretty. I'm adding, and here you can basically add um, whatever else you like to add in your curry. I'm adding my thyme, curry powder. I like to use a good West Indian curry powder, whether it be Jamaican or Trinidadian. I think Guyanese too, theirs are good. I'm adding here tomatoes and carrots. Looking good. Looking good. Look at that. And I'm just going to give it a quick stir. And as it stir, if the saucepan was sticking, then you notice once you add the liquid or the wetter ingredients, it will start uh, loosening up. Now I'm adding my tofu skin. Remember, I've soaked them and then I've boiled my tofu skins, and now I'm adding, and I chop them up. So now I'm adding them, and next I'm adding a vegan bouillon cube, or you can do a chicken style seasoning here. Okay, so next I'm adding butter beans and just stirring it in. and coconut milk. hmm You can use freshly pressed, or you can use a can of coconut milk, full fat. I'm adding water, and I'm basically done. We're gonna just, I add some herbs here. I'm looking. I add some herbs and some paprika for color, and some pimento berries I'm seeing. And also here I'm adding one Scotch money pepper. Oh, we forgot about the dumplings. Next, I'm adding some dumplings, some nice Jamaican dumplings, style dumpling with, we call them spinners, some nice spinners on top. Can't do it without your dumplings. Adding dumplings here. Nice, nice, nice dumplings. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. And I'm just giving it a stir. It's already thick. It looks good. Smells good too. Can you smell it? You can tell it smells amazing. With the carrots, the dumplings. Look at that. Look at that. Thank you for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe below and hit on the notification bell so that you can be updated on all my latest recipes. Thank you, blessings to you, and be sure to come back for my next video. See you. Bye.